YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, Yo Bobby TV. Yeah. Yeah, I be liking to start my intros like that, you know what I mean? How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Check me out now. See, this video right here, what I'm doing an afro taper. You know, basically, this is not like a tutorial slash, it might be, but I'm basically freehanding this entire cut. As you can see right here, there's no guard on that clipper. I've been seeing like a lot of, you know, no guard challenges and stuff like that. So I've been freehanding a lot, you know, ever since I started cutting hair, but you know, I would never really do the entire cut. It starts from just being lazy and not wanting to use a guard, or maybe when you started cutting hair, you didn't have no money to buy no guard, so you had to learn how to cut with what you got. And you know, sometimes you just want to challenge yourself. When you feel like you've mastered your craft, you know, you just want to try a few things. So this is basically, it's not a tutorial. This is basically a little stunting video just to test my skills and show you guys my skills and stuff. And I actually got inspired to do this from watching this guy called Shape Cuts on Instagram. And this guy, he's amazing the way he uses his masters to cut straight hair, you know, with no guard, you know. So I've been seeing just a whole bunch of no guard challenges, so I just figured I'll do this right here. There's no clipper over comb, it's just straight the Wall Magic clip with no guard on there, and me doing a taper. This is actually a dangerous move if you don't know what you're doing, because you will F somebody hair up if you're not, you know, good at, you know, just tapering with a guard, period. Taking off the guard could get dangerous, because when you go up into the hair, you can't like recover from those mistakes when you're getting a haircut like this, you know what I mean? So that's what the guards are for. So I don't recommend people to try it if they're not really haven't been cutting hair a long time. But play around with it if you got a friend or somebody you want to like kind of, you know, test your skills out on, or whatever the case is. So, you know, I seen my man, you know, on Instagram do it, so I figured I'll try a few cuts all the way through. You know, I've been freehanding cuts for a long time, but not all the way through. Like, just being lazy, not wanting to grab a guard, I'll just freehand it. So I figured I'll just try it on a full entire cut and see how it comes out and see how comfortable I am with it. So as you see, like, I'm blending out the sides right here, you know, and it's pretty, actually, I found that I could cut a little faster, you know, not using no guards, but it's you have to be very careful and, you know, just kind of know the clipper and just know, you know, it's hard to explain actually, you know what I'm saying? You just got to know you could do it, you know what I mean? So I just put this video up for you guys to watch and to see how it comes out, you know what I mean? And add a friend or somebody who cuts hair, or, you know, who's want to learn how to cut hair, or somebody who do cut hair, you know what I mean? Or if you just like this video, just send it to a friend, share it with them, see what they think about it. You know, some people might be like, if you even attempt to cut my hair with no guard, you know what I'm saying? They might not be with it, so, you know. But I've been cutting this guy's hair for a long time. He trusts me. He know where the skills is at, so, you know, he's very comfortable, you know what I mean? I actually don't even think he knew I was actually not using any guards, so, you know, that's another thing. So he's about to get a part in, like a half moon part in this hair right here. These kind of get like, it's kind of like crazy sometimes with these parts, man, because a lot of these guys nowadays, they don't want to cut their hair down no more, so then they want parts in the high hair. Like, these are one of the things that I actually don't like to do, because it kind of pisses me off, because it's like a lot of work to kind of like get the part in there, and then you have to like trim around the part. So, but he doesn't care. It's my boy. He said he wants a part in there, so I gotta do it. It's my job, you know? So I just like doing like half moon parts on like low haircuts, something like with a 1.5 or 2 with the grain. But, you know, these guys nowadays, they want the top of their hair, they want it curly on top, a sponge brush look, and, you know, so what I'm doing in there, as you've seen, I use my Wall Magic clip to kind of like clean it out, because sometimes the liner is, you got to kind of get the hair out, the long hairs away, so you can make the part, you know what I mean? So, like, you know, I'm very big on like trimming around the hairs along the hairline, so like the line holds, and if I'm putting a part in there, when he goes home and washes his hair, you know, the long hairs won't hang over the part. So I'm lining them up with my Andes T-blades right now, you know, just lining up the sides and going over some little rough edges that I see sticking up, you know, making sure his cut is fully laced. He said he has somewhere to go that night, so gotta make sure the boy's tight, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, this cut came out pretty decent, you know what I mean? Once you hit, like, I always tell people the most important thing on a haircut is like the shape up. So if you're a barber and you're not that good yet, get your line game down, because it could kind of camouflage where you're slacking at with the haircut, you know what I'm saying? By being able to give a good shape up and then start tightening up on the cuts, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see right here, man, this whole cut has been done with no guards at all. And you know, I got a few more cuts I had recorded too that I'm gonna upload soon with no guard on there. And you know, just testing where I'm at with it, because I see guys out here putting it out. So I just figured, you know, I'll drop a no guard challenge, you know, see if you like it. You know, the cut came out pretty good. You know, it actually came out as good as I think I do it with a guard on it, you know what I mean? So, you know, just tighten them up, shaving off the stash, giving them a little, you know, little triangle beard, tightening up the eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? This is full service haircutting over here that I do, man. I don't play no games with it, man. When you step in my chair, like, I'm gonna make sure you walk out looking right, man. You know what I'm saying? I never claimed to be the best barber, but I could just give you a great cut and, you know, good service, full service all around the board. Feel what I'm saying? You're always gonna walk out happy hopping out of my chair. Pause, no freaky. You know what I'm saying? But you know, that's what it is, man. Like, I'm never in competition with other barbers. I just do what I do at my level, because I always learn, no matter how dope you think you are, you're only the best to the people who come and sit in your chair, and that's a fact. You know, because you could be in a barber shop with a bunch of barbers and everybody gonna cut, and whoever sits in your chair, they think you the best. You feel what I'm saying? Because I could feel like I'm the best, but somebody that sits in somebody else's chair don't feel the same way. So, you know, and I use my haircuts as like a walking billboard for me, you know what I'm saying? That's how I get my clients. People see my clients and be like, yo, who cut your hair, you know? And then they recommend me. So I've been getting customers like that for the longest, you know? But yo, if you like this video, man, add a friend. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, you know what I mean? Let me know what you feel, you know? I always put a little paper towel on the headrest before I raise the people, you know, sanitary reasons, you know, and customer just knows that, you know, they well taken care of while they're in my chair. A little razor action, you know. So this is the video. This is a taper, little afro curly top taper with a half moon part, no blade, you know what I'm saying? No guard, I mean, it's a no guard challenge. And yeah, it's Yo Bobby TV. Please like and subscribe, add a friend, send the video to a friend, tell me what you like, what you don't like, you know what I mean? More videos to come soon. Thanks for watching, I appreciate y'all. You know, yeah, give him a little alcohol. His favorite part right here. I'll make the customer sizzle. Stay up, y'all. Peace.